When you go out shopping, you will see many shops offering discount on their products. That can be clothes, perfumes, and any other items. For example, you will see a clothing brand offering 12% discount on their shirts. How will you calculate the discounted price? In this lesson, we shall learn how to calculate the discounted price of the items. If the price of the shirt is 2600 rupees and discount is 12%, what is the new price of the shirt? We can say that the price is is 88% of 2600. New price is 88% of 2600. Here, uh, the shirt price, new price is calculated by multiplying shirt price 2600 with 88 divided by 100. 88 is a percent, so new price is calculated. After that, the difference is calculated, and that difference is 12%. Here you can see full price is 2600, discounted price is 2288. Difference is 312 rupees, and 312 is 12% of 2600. This is the method to calculate the discount on any product in Python. Thank you.